In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a navigation for your project using Framer.com. Now, if you're not familiar with Framer, it's an incredibly intuitive tool for designing interactive prototypes and bringing your creative ideas to life. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to hop onto Framer.com. Upon arriving at the site, you'll either need to sign in or create an account if you haven't already. Framer is pretty user-friendly, so this part should be a breeze. Once you're logged in, you'll want to open a project you've been working on. Or, if you're starting fresh, feel free to create a new project. Either way works just fine. Now that you have your project open, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with several options. Look for the one that says Insert. Clicking on Insert is going to give you a plethora of options to help enrich your project. What we're looking for today is navigation. Select navigation from the list of options. This feature provides a basic framework for your site navigation, allowing visitors to easily traverse through your content. With the navigation module in your project, you're now free to edit it to suit your needs and your vision for your site. You might want your first navigation item to be Home, which is typically the starting point of any website. Next, you could add an About section, a staple on most websites, where visitors can learn more about you or your business. After that, a Product section might be useful if you're showcasing items, services, or features you offer. The beauty of Framer is that it gives you the freedom to tailor your navigation however you see fit. So, if you have any other sections in mind, don't hesitate to add them. After you've got all the navigation links laid out, turn your attention back to the left side of your workspace where you'll see the Settings option. Clicking on Settings allows you to further customize your navigation. You can tailor the appearance to better fit the aesthetic of your project. Maybe you want to tweak the color scheme to harmonize with your brand's identity. Perhaps you want to adjust the font styles or sizes. Framer provides these customization capabilities to ensure that your website reflects your unique style and branding. Once you're satisfied with all the tweaks and everything looks just the way you want, the next thing you need to do is to publish your project. Look for the Publish button, give it a click, and just like that, your beautifully tailored navigation will be live and accessible in no time. And that wraps up our tutorial for today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you now feel more confident in setting up your navigation in Framer. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.